Her baby did not stop crying. When she changed her diaper, she discovered something terrible. There is no doubt that the thing that concerns parents the most is their child's health and safety. In today's video, we will tell you about a dangerous incident that happened to a family in the United Kingdom. It should be a good lesson for all parents to be more careful when buying and using kids' products. Michelle and Adise went through some hard times because of what they'd found in their newborn Gabriella's Pampers diaper. They said, "We were beyond mad and surprised because of what happened. We announced it to the social media and we transmitted a message to other parents. They should never put their full trust in these industries, especially when it comes to hygiene. One should be more careful and must take the time to examine the product before using it. We found a sharp piece of metal inside our baby's diaper. What made it look worse is the fact that our baby was born 5 weeks before the expected delivery time. Her immune system is so weak, this filthy piece of metal, despite its small size, could have ended the life of our dear child." After buying the diapers from a store called Asda, the couple noticed that Gabriella was repeatedly crying. At first they thought that maybe the girl was sick, but they later discovered that something sharp injured the baby's buttocks. They didn't even know what it was, so they quickly took her to the hospital. The doctor said they were lucky. He found a sharp piece of metal inside the nappy's cotton. It was very close to a sensitive area. Something awful could have happened. He advised them not to use the diapers for a while, and of course, the couple followed his instructions. Fortunately, the girl stopped crying since then. After returning home, they called the company to warn them and help prevent such things from happening again to other children. On the other hand, a spokesman from the company commented, "It was shameful to hear about this family's bad experience. We do not know whether this diaper was unverified or messed with. However, we will take this matter into consideration and treat it seriously. Safety comes first." He added, "We verify the diapers before stocking them. We will investigate this case with concerned parents. All that matters now is that the child is safe and sound." Gabriella's parents decided to share their experience with everyone, not to ruin the company's reputation, but to spread awareness about the necessity of paying attention while buying any commercial products for your children. It is not a game. It is better to be safe than sorry, and as they say, prevention is better than cure. What is hard to believe is that these things could happen even with a product of an internationally recognized brand. These parents were fortunate. Their child suffered only from some superficial injuries. Therefore, you should pay attention to prevent this kind of situation from happening again. It would be nice if all parents could see this important message, wouldn't it?